let's look at this question here. We are given that x equals to 3 is a solution of the equation 2x squared plus px equals to 15. And we are first asked to find the value of p. Alright, after that, we are asked to find the other solution of the equation here. Now, let's look at this. This is a quadratic expression. Alright, for a quadratic expression, we can say that it is generally represented as y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, now when we say that we have a solution, or in this case we have two solutions, right, for this equation, it means that this curve, all right, if I were to draw the x and y axis, we can say that this curve is going to be touching, all right, the x-axis at two different points. All right, exactly what are these 2 points, we do not know yet. So I'm just giving some rough estimate here, but we do know that one of these points is here when x is equals to 3. All right, now when we say that x equals 3 is a solution, it is referring to the point where the curve is touching the x-axis. All right, so when the curve touches the x-axis, what is the y value? The y value would be 0. All right, so effectively this expression is now reduced to ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, because this is the point where the curve touches the x-axis, and that is what we refer to as the solution of the equation. All right, so now I'm going to take this equation 2x squared plus px equals to 15, and I'm first going to rewrite it so that it looks like our standard equation here. All right, ax squared plus bx plus c. All right, and since we know that x equals to 3 is a solution, it means that when I substitute x equals to 3 into my equation, the answer would be 0. All right, so that is what I'm going to do here. So 3 squared plus 3p minus 15 equals to 0. So 18 plus 3p minus 15 equals to 0. 3 plus 3p equals to 0. So p is equals to minus 1. To find the other solution of the equation, all right, what we need to do is to write the complete quadratic expression. So we have 2x squared minus x minus 15 equals to 0. All right, now what we can do is we can simply do the cross method or the box method approach. All right, so we know that the first column we want to get 2x squared. So to get 2x squared, definitely you have 2x multiplied by x, correct? Now for the second column, we know that what we want to get here is minus 15. And minus 15, though there are a few different combinations, we already know that x equals to 3 is a factor. Correct? Is x equals 3 is a solution, so the factor is x minus 3. So since I have an x here, I can put a minus 3 over here. Alright, I can put a minus 3 over here. And since I put a minus 3 over here, minus 3 times 5 will give me minus 15. Alright, and for the last column here, I want to get a minus x. So let's just confirm that we get it. So x times 5 is 5x. 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x. So I get a minus x here. So as you can see, one of the factors is already given to us, which is x minus 3. So the other factor is 2x plus 5. All right, so this expression can now be factorized as 2x plus 5 and x minus 3. So x equals to 3 is one of the solution. All right, so we say that this whole expression is 0, which means that either x minus 3 equals to 0, which gives us x equals to 3. The other is 2x plus 5 equals to 0, which gives x equals to minus 5 over 2. So that is the other solution for this expression here. Okay, so I hope that this has given you a good idea how to solve this problem here. Thank you. Bye.